Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Many people have asked me where to hang wind chimes for Feng Shui, what types of wind chimes should we use, and where we should never place wind chimes. In this video, I'll tell you all about it. Wind chimes is a very powerful Feng Shui tool that can transform the negative energy into auspicious energy. But we need to be very careful about where to place it. The best type of wind chimes are the ones made of long, hollow metal cylinders, because metal can help facilitate and balance energy flow around your home. It can also activate areas where qi is stagnant to ensure fresh energy is circulated throughout your living spaces. Wind chimes is mainly used as Feng Shui remedies to reduce negative energy and protect the house's fortune. If your front door is directly facing a T-junction road, the killing energy from the road can rush into your home at a very high speed, which is negative for your health and wealth luck. This is where you can place wind chimes on the top left corner of the door frame to reduce the sharp energy rushing into your home. If your window is directly opposite your neighbor's window, you can also hang wind chimes on your window frame to avoid negative energy entering your home. Wind chimes is also a very effective remedy to cure the number 2 and number 5 flying stars. The number 2 flying star is associated with disease, while the number 5 star is the most dangerous star, symbolizing misfortune. For example, if the number 5 flying star is in the sector of your front door, you can hang a wind chime inside the house near the front door to help reducing the negative energy. This is because the number 5 flying star belongs to the earth element, while the metal wind chime belongs to the metal element. The movements and sound of the wind chimes can drain or weaken the earth energy of the number 5 star. However, in 2022, the number 5 flying star is in the middle sector. Do not place wind chimes in the middle sector, even it's where the number 5 star is located. This is because the middle of the house needs to be kept quiet, and you don't want the sound and movements of the wind chimes to activate the negative energy of the number 5 star. So what type of wind chimes should we use? There are many types of wind chimes in the market. Apart from the metal wind chimes, there are also wind chimes made of wood or ceramic. To choose the right wind chimes, we need to first consider the 5 elements. Wooden wind chimes can be used to cure the negative energy in the east sector, south sector, and southeast sector. Metal wind chimes should be used in the west sector, northwest sector, and north sector, while the ceramic wind chimes should be used in the southwest and northeast sector. Now I'll share with you the places we should avoid hanging wind chimes. If you draw a line from the northeast corner to the southwest corner of your floor plan, which will cross the Bagua number 2, 5, and 8, you should never place the wind chimes anywhere along this line in your home. In Feng Shui, the channel from the northeast to the southwest collects most of the yin energy. The sound and movements of the wind chimes also collect yin energy. Too much yin energy in your house is unfavorable for the health and wealth luck of people living there. Number 2, do not place wind chimes in the bathroom. The bathroom also collects a lot of yin energy. Placing wind chimes in the bathroom can increase the yin energy, and this is negative for the overall fortune and is not considered good Feng Shui. Do not hang wind chimes in the study or bedroom. From Feng Shui perspective, the study and the bedroom need to be kept quiet to allow energy flow smoothly around the rooms. Placing wind chimes could destroy the stability of the energy flow, which can be negative for your health or career luck. And finally, do not place wind chimes in the kitchen. The kitchen generates fire energy. Placing wind chimes can further stimulate the fire energy, and this is negative for health. I hope you find my video helpful. If you like my video, please like, comment, and share. See you next time.